Look, I really think you should consider hiring a lawyer.
No. Are you out of your mind? It will only make it worse.
But you don't understand, Matilda. Your lawyer can help you solve this problem in peace, no matter how complicated the talks are.
Yeah, and what would Jamie do? He's going to manipulate him.
You need to trust me, you guys. Without the help of a lawyer, nothing would have been done to save your house, your family, everything. Please, Matilda, this is your only chance.
I need to take this call. Hello?
You have 10 seconds left to say goodbye to your family.
What?
What was that? Was that Jimmy?
Wait.
Everyone, get down.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What is happening, Chuck? What do they want from us?
Calm down, Blue. It's over.
Oh my god.
What the hell happened? Is everyone okay?
We're fine. Those bastards nearly killed us all. We need to find out what is going on.